say Galamsey fight no government biya or say obe fight Galamsey without providing an alternative for biya be failing. Yes, government biya or say ono obetimi a fight Galamsey na wa winning. E wa bra onfa alternatives e meka ho no. Oye din obe failing. Because
asebo we are working. Aye NDC amanyoku no say alternative a wo de ma eye Ghana ma babunu no say woni a eye Galamsey no wo mo eti eye cooperatives bi e di amomo na wo ma kire mo ekwan a wo befa so a wo be responsible mining
nti say wo ye bibi sa de a then it is possible say there will because they say first Ghana ha adwuma ni ha. And apart from say Jumani and Galamsey no a source of high level of income. Obi bia ne ho eden keke no. Say nipa no kotena Galamsey site. Na ne ho eden no onye kwadwofo a. Every day bia no sika betena ne bottom. Ndisake person na say be making ono went me uncle school papa bi onya adwuma nye na wakɔhye Galamsey area. Dodo na within a year omutumi to car. Now say wo just any pan income na free nsema trust me it is not going to be very easy for you. So much just some cooperatives be. So obeka last mbana me kan be say okọ Galamsey site ni nyina dodo na no concession ye opanyi bi dia. Concession kakra bi na bi ye da ho a aya amanfo na kom. Dodo na no wo owners of those concessions no. Ndoko hu say sa concession no amanfo e dey say nsu a the owner of that concession must be arrested. Very simple. But obeko komuna na sa ankrofo ya so ye politicians ye bia. Nti abani ntimi nye de so ye. E be come dey say because real Galamsey no mo ye no omo de sa cham fine no e na ye. Cham fine apart from say ye de Galamsey menye ntumi say ye wa adwuma for ye wa Ghana ha meboa.
Because we are told sir say they omo banish cham fine.
But somebody told me say ba bia obi di okwan ho oye cham fine ni bi e wa Ghana ha.
I know I can want somewhere.
Sa hu. Nti ani pa no oye cham fine no ada na mo ngongwache no. Because I'm finding you event tutos. Even Yamako, event Koko, ye the Galamsey, I the sins you say so. To a bit Ghana Hano fire. Why do you allow the person to be? Arrest him. And secondly, no, any site be an aya will be concession and be who say, ye Galamsey or no. The owner of that concession must be arrested. Me can say, Bribi a chum. Na masori a quack cribia say a preaching ho. Nti all the Galamsey side be a mining side crobia or mining be a makomakoy preaching order. Those days, you know, nobody mines in the water bodies. Obekono omoko tu abo ne ba be yam no mo nyina ye fita, but nobody will be mining in the water. China for ya ne bias assume the buy you. Omo na betre. Some say nsuo no say gold area wa nsuo no gold wo sin ba bia. Nti no China for no, they know what they are talking about. Mine be by me ho. None of them be war. Is it World Bank? And I say IMF move baby. To a painful Nibia. No must say you be by say opportunity by somebody CB if I say digitized nation. Nti Ghana the book ni buy a whole proposal can see and the bank who fee. No say mine now no yeah adwuma either say IMF and I say World Bank no. Okay say almost project we say Africa. But the one is fine no. So betimni ni krum for adi nkomo na oma de mo hia ye land na ban no mo permission say we've given the land no omo ankasa beba aba be si sa digitized nation no na de ye ne say omo si wi a na omo say Google for wo mo airplane bi o se den na ya be map kro ni nyina na ya map kro ni nyina wi a kro no ensudodo e wo kro no nyina ya river bodies ni stream ni nyina will be captured. Minerals be a wasa senimuno. They will know the quantity, they will know the location baby a war. And into no abaning here say Obeka say Oko everything will be there in that building. No. Nipa making Obama ho e the proposal any in by say. Ana ono nim crofo no mudi no mo call ko hu mpanyin for aban mu mpanyin for. Omo ko panyin no mo ko hu no bi say obenya sen. Hey, Prof, as one making. Me now we want to my catch room that me nkan wa fidie so. Panyin bi za na say, ono no say no be saying. No say boss. We no nye obi ono anya ne sika obeye we IMF for say well back me here fee the institution kwa na baba ye ade no nti ono nya ade a metimi akobisa ne kwase obenya sen because omba be see aye kuro ni dia nti ne obenya sen na obenya sen amani ni nti no according to ono mo de course Tanzania was one of the Eastern Africa countries ni bi the China for e bagana ha I am telling you this enye Ghana ha no bedru no mahu ba bia gold wo China for a digitized nation bi wo mu kroma they know the minerals in Ghana ba bia wo sale they know nti oba oni or per diamond or bekwakoti ya oni be diamond wo they even know how much there na omo ba na kura no omo kura gadgets those gadgets wo the co area ba bia they will be able to identify specifically in gold ba bia wo ne na amount ne quantity na SOMPA did the American ba be see and say Galamsey fight no I said they own drug cartels kontokwa enye fighter yetimi winning in Israel you must get alternatives said that be the make actually say so we call the western world the baby say Mexico no any Colombia no ma drugs no e wo so much you will so many cartels omo kro mo operate no at times people from the government have meeting with these cartel leaders okay omunya yes cartel leaders no na omankasa ne omokra ye meeting say mo wen obi a operate e won ni area na mo mfa ntokamba
abusafo bo amutie yen sese amoko Facebook mo ga ko hu gadgets na nana aka ho asam ne bi omutimi di ehwe go dudu a wa asase so because abrofo idie enti nana channel for no baba de no muni bibia
oh me say oba onim ba bi potia oko and into gold in diamond or whatever no they know and into before na ye mine e wonsuom Ghana ye na ye mine no mining has been around for a very long time China for no bad mo so ensuo no mu na gold no wo mo SOMPA and omudi kan chamfa ne bi bai now wo hwe na guess market wo bi a wo ya akra na watena akura seda na unim say ya buru nsuo a those days nsuo ya mana ya ekudware mu a ye ko buru nsuo na be ko na nsuo na ni nyina tantan so they have the machine chamfa no nsuo num and awura asasim na etu no ho na de nsuo na ho no what do you expect
nsuo ni be basa
nsuo ni be basa because machine is nsuo num na etu and efutu fra so this kind of thing no country be na be ma kwan say bibi say yenye che obi a ono de chamfa be si nsuo mu sese ni pe ma ne firing squad
na now say obi a odi chamfa
be chamfa si nsuo mu a efutu nsuo ni fra nipa no ese ye de ne kokot ne ye boni tuoku no nsuo ye life
water is life
nti de ndi na wo nsuo a etene nti ba bia wo na wo futu nsuo ni fra no kilometers away the people will be there they will consume the same water and they will say how mercury where you know
but Nana interesting do you know something the reason why I am paying for no eto de bi kra na mo mfa ho no ensure mo no kra they import it
see now what important nsuo na you don't know obe free Ghana ha kwa abrochire okwa abrochire no e bia o mpe momo o te me local food na ya akoto bayere e de free African market aba sa bayire no free Ghana ha you to area Galamsey wo ho no mercury ne cyanide no goes down into the earth e wo bayire no bo akodi abewu che ye mpanyimfo no se bi omo foresight no e na e wo fom Galamsey issue na ye no enya ade a e affect obi nku a o se nsuo na betimi import o go nto mire so e o bancha obedi e o body obedi e but I go there and do research mercury cyanide say wura asase mu a ebitimu last for 150 years and say asase no are purified nti koko na wo sora dan bo twa utie no msa no no sa koko no pad no etimo peke sa sign na mercury no no mo de million de ma wudi a esa na eku no they tell say the government can only fight Galamsey when they have alternatives nti of course all the Galamsey areas and I said okay omo say cooperate na aboa na first thing say ya keke kanipa bom as association say ade bi a person ye no so person ye a menja nche nipa ba ko mienu nsa ya association
SOMPA
to ko area bia wo say obi bia na wo ye Galamsey person bia no you must belong to this association you should have an ID card say what you na ye Galamsey adwuma Now you have leaders or managing people. Say, you don't have to go to all of them. Just tell the leaders to say, you must go there and tell the people, say, Obi Biana Ukraya, I do a member. Won Nimna Komani, won Sumua, won Kai Hubu.
And any small scale miners association for church of opinion Edin Komo. Na asamba kwa di tuja. Meno. Na ayemi wanna say. Osi both NDC MPP. Ghana ha. Omuno must say or mine.
Oh yes. You're not correct. Because Obeko Galamsey muno.
Woman was
Omane oho. Time MPP was
someone who catch
more permit. And is by omon crop for more permit because the attorney say to be ni nyina no e sika o. Money is power. And to onyanya sika ni we are. Onyanya sika ni we are obetimi control many things. And I go to nya kotuo na onya yi ade ni first na say sika. And they could do a banch ni si ho afiance na abo onya tuye na pay sika bum. And then no cheap money. The here is obe hu ba gold ni bi wo no means to get it. Unyanya wi a sika. Until both the MPP and NDC because say o man ho don she den ni omutim sa o. Oh yes. She
both MPP and NDC.
O man ho don.
O man ho don.
Go and find out with all the big guys in both MPP and NDC say omumu ahenom and omoma ko school Ghana ha. Omumu ahenom na say omo yare a omo koje ayarehwe ewa Ghana ukru im. Nti ono minister ne bank wo kolebu na yere ko wo kolebu. Ene nti kolebu nya obe kasa fa ho but how a tie say obi onu fira kura bi ase na oni sikente na ese bia wutumo na aba no gide kolebu kokoye no. How the person will feel it no panyimu no nim. What I say? Nti na make say sa review no moye no. So mbetimi achenyi sa amera me ensan we pe ade ahirima na be ye mmara. Ye man who only 4 years but whoever is the president will be able to change the country.
But nana uka asem bi say woni a etu efomagudie e wo nsuo no so no. Sa nkrofo no use champagne ne de. Ende ye chiwa.
No ye mo tu oho. Say ye hu say ye wo evidence say ye wo e na wo use champagne wo nsuo no mu a. Entem na yenya some call proceed bi e be contententem. Yenya wia na ye botu akun. I was a first conversation with you, but so can 0260196064 0260196065. Obi gina nsuo so na o use chamfan na obo no tu akuno. Gesa ye chewa ye de court na hu sampa o use chamfan wo nsuo so a. Fire squad dey the amount.
Me that say, nana ye take all away.